Hey, I have a trailer build that I was wanting to show you guys. It's a 2016 Haulmark 17 foot by 6 wide V-nose. And I just kind of just walk through and show you the build and show you different things that have been done to it. So first here we have our RV door with the window insert. We have our pull out step there. It folds in out of the way when you're in motion traveling. We have slightly larger tires at they're ST rated, so they're 235 75 R15, and they're D rated, so they're heavy duty, very nice. We have our side window, we have our awning up top, and then we walk around. We got supports in the back, and we got our drop down gate here, ramp gate, and it when it drops down, these here are used as little feet, so that the ramp can be used as a table or a deck. I'll show you how that looks. There's little pockets that I have in here and in the corner for poles to go up that are adjustable, that you can put a tarp over top there to keep you out of the rain or for shade. And I have it enclosed here with the mosquito netting that is magnetic, so it can just easily open or easily close up. And you got your storage in the bottom as well. And those bunks rise up, and I'll show you when we get inside, so that you have access as a bit of a toy hauler or take home your game for hunting. You get a spare tire mounted, the exact same as what's on there now on the axle. We have a little shower section here. There is these rods right here. They come out, and you got a curtain that goes around if you want privacy for your outdoor shower. And inside here you have regular RV outdoor shower with the hot cold, and then you have your shore power hookup right there, and then you have your exhaust for your propane furnace inside. We'll go inside and show you around. So we have, right off the bat here, we have a awesome fridge. It is nice size, and it runs on 12 volt, and it can really, it's a game changer really for when you're traveling. So you can see I got it set here right in the blue range. Freezer. As we turn around, I'll turn the lights on. We have the kitchen. We have an actual countertop, and we got plugs. We got two plugs are from the inverter, that 3,000 watt inverter, or also the other two plugs are for shore power when that's hooked up. And this panel here automatically adjusts for if you're plugged in to shore power or if you're running off the inverter. I can see there now we're at 13.4 volts. And you can also see over here we have a solar controller that gives you information on what's happening with the solar panels. We have 3 solar panels on the roof, and they are 100 watts each. We have 2 large 6-volt batteries, which are under the floor, which are outside vented. And we have instant hot water heater. The storage for it is right here. It goes on the outside and just hangs on the outside of the trailer, so it's vented and whatnot. But it's quick connects, so that it's easy and fast for the hot and cold and for the gas. Then we have our stove here, 2-burner propane. That's all plumbed in, of course. And then we go up, a little bit of storage. Nice large sink. And we have our fresh water faucet here, and under here is our freshwater storage and some plumbing and our pump and stuff. So this is a hookup point for our cell phone extender. And then this is a curtain that goes around for toilet privacy. And you actually have quite a bit of room in there. And that's shut. Dometic toilet here, ceramic. You go around. And we have our bunks. So these bunks rise up to the ceiling so that you have all this section accessible to storage of whatever you like to put in here. And they're on a rail system. They just kind of slide up. It's a 2-person lifting job. It's not that it's heavy, but it can be a little bit awkward, but it's not too hard. So it just slides up. I have it pinned, as you can see here, and I also have it on a strap as well, just to keep twisting out and whatnot. It's the same with the bottom one. It just rises up, and it's just pinned here or different spots. You have different levels. So I had my kids up here, but it is 5'10" I believe, sideways. So an adult can sleep sideways if you're that or shorter. And this is quite a large space here as well. You can see it's more like a king size for width. The mattress isn't, because you can see there's a gap on each end. I believe it's a modified queen that goes in RVs, the mattress, but it's actually a very, very soft memory foamed mattress. Well, you have storage on the sides for different things as when you're laying in bed and whatnot. So we come into our power solar system here again. So we got a 3,000 watt inverter, and then we have our solar controller here. That's the main one. This other one I showed you, it's basically just for external, like a quick display, just to look at. This one actually is the working one here. And then we have, it's wired in for shore power here. We also have a option for the hot water heater. So if you wanted to have an electric hot water heater, you could have it hooked up here. But honestly, you really don't need any of that when you have that instant hot water tank, because it is amazing. Literally instant hot water, and it's as hot as you like it. It's really impressive. Storage over here for different things as well. So there is a hole in the floor, and it just unscrews. It's just a regular vent that you would put in for air circulation in your house. And what I have is I have a bilge blower, as you can see there, and it fits perfectly on top of that hole when you unscrew that. And what that does is it pulls in cold air from the ground so that it cools down the trailer really good, really fast and efficient. Come the evening, you want to cool down everything. It works really well. Also, there's a light on the ceiling here. I thought it'd be fun for the kids. There you go. Yeah, it emits a nice glow in the night when it's on by itself. The toilet actually just goes straight down and out into a hose that you connect on to put into a sewer line or a system at a campground, or if you have that at your house. Or you can also put it into a small storage, like a portable storage sewer container that has wheels, and you can just wheel that away to dump it or tow it behind your ATV or even in your car and bring it to a sanity station. Or you could also use a 5-gallon bucket, which we have done many times actually. And just a little short hose goes into the bucket, and the family of 5, it takes about a day to fill up. And once it's full, you just take it and you go and dump it into an outhouse or something like that. If you're at a rec site or wherever you're at, that you can get rid of your waste that way. I'd like to give you a view of underneath here for what we have for water storage. As you can see there, the water tank. And you can see where it's sprayed here with insulated foam. You can also see your connections here for the hot water. And then we have our gas connection also for the hot water. And as we walk around, you can see the batteries are in this area here. There's also a light bar for backup in the nighttime when you're got to camp. See the shocks also on the axles to keep out any bounce. If you're traveling off-road, things don't get all jiggled up. Well, I think that's pretty much everything I want to show you. It's been really good for us. It's been great for a family of 5 and plus a dog. And yeah, so I hope this can help anybody that wants to do a trailer build or anything. So yeah, thanks for watching.